We've been talking about shadow boxes, both traditional and unusual. For the ultimate in unusual shadow boxes, I brought you to my friend Stephanie of Stephanie Simply Sewing to see these very unique and unusual shadow boxes that she has on her wall. Stephanie, would you come and tell us about these wonderful shadow boxes?
Well, I'd be delighted to, Ginny. Thank you for asking. When we had our kitchen remodeled, we had a pantry put in and we didn't like it. And these were the inserts into our pantry. Well, our contractor said that he wanted to take them back, and I said, no, I'll figure out something to do with them. After all, I paid for them. So what I've done is turned them on side and hung them on my wall, and then I've displayed the glassware that belonged to my grandmother and some of my copper that my husband has collected. And so that's how I ended up having these rather unusual and really quite enjoyable shadow boxes.
Thank you, Stephanie. And that is the ultimate in shadow boxes as far as I'm concerned.